Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, if you don't already know that. Very disappointed in you if you don't. And I'm going to do a little skull makeup. Ignore the unwanted guest. Yeah. Honestly, so rude. So rude. Let me stick my luscious locks back, shall we? To be fair, I'm probably going to go onto a voiceover because otherwise I'll just forget to speak. And cue the voiceover. So I'm just taking an old eyebrow pencil and drawing a basic skull. So drawing around the indentations of my eyeballs, the hollows. Just feel around. You do your eyes, your nose, your mouth. I did draw around my chin as well. Drew in the basics. I do have a video of a basic skull if you're interested in watching that one to get the general gist. If not, just use a photo, a picture for reference and copy that. So it's just a very basic one of where your hollows are. So temples, eyes, nose, mouth, and I did around my chin. I did a hole in my head, which is beautiful, and I did all of my neck. So took it down my neck, and you'll see I suck in my neck just to get where those hollows are and where the bones are. Once you've mapped out where you'd like your hollows to be and the basic sculpture of your skull, take some white face paint. This is a water activated face paint, and paint all of the unhollowed bits white, and then go into a black and paint all of the hollows black. That makes sense? So you've got a black and white skull. I went all in my ear. It was disgusting. Oh my god, disgusting. Then you should have this. Apart from I didn't paint my nose. So just quickly go in there, paint my nose, and I set it all with some eyeshadow. And I'm taking an incy bincy teeny weeny little brush and using that same face paint, I'm just mapping out some of the details, so the cracks of where I want cracks and details to be. Nothing spectacular. And then in with the teeth. So line them up with your teeth and map those out as well. Once you've drawn all of your teeth in, just go along each of the tooth and do little Y's is the best way to describe it. You can basically see what I'm doing here. Anyway, once you have gone over all of your teeth, then we're going to take that face paint, or you can use a black lipstick, and I painted in my inside of my mouth, not inside of my mouth, my inside of my lips, so the inner bit of my lips, still on the outer, but you know, you can see what I'm doing. Oh, I will add as well, around my eyes and in my waterline, I did actually use a black gel eyeliner. I did not use the face paint on that area or around my immediate eye area. And once I'd used the gel eyeliner, I set that with some black eyeshadow, as well as all the other black areas was set with black eyeshadow, and all the white bits were set with the white eyeshadow. I'm sure I've already said that, but in case I forgot to. Okay, then this is where the fun begins. In all of the black hollowed areas, I'm going to pop some pigments. So I've got some pigments from the Colour Shack. We're going to use some of those. We're going to use the NYX white eyeliner or liquid liner, and some of the NYX metallic palettes. So first of all, we're going to go in with those pigments from the Colour Shack. So I'm going in with a royal blue, a light blue, a purple, a green, a gold, and an ivory. So this is the royal blue. Just dotting it around with my finger in all of those hollowed areas. Don't have to be in any particular way, just dotting it where you want it. And this is going to make up our galaxy. So once we lay down all of those colours where we'd like them, I do go on and do my chest. I didn't finish my chest properly. As you can see my shoulders. It's really hard to paint all your body. You need mirrors all around. So if you are going to do something like this, make sure you have mirrors all around you so you can actually see where you're painting, because it's very difficult, you know. Once I've laid down all of those pigments, I go in with a brush with the ivory one, just so I can get some different texture going on and have it a bit more concentrated, as I wanted it to look like the I can't think of what the name is, like a con, consonant of stars, whatever the word is. Okay, and then I am going to go in with that NYX liquid eyeliner in the white and just do little dots, and that is your stars in the galaxy. So in the ivory bits, I did do a more concentrated collection of stars, of dots. Don't forget to dot your ears as well. That is part of the galaxy. So little dots all around for your stars. And I've also decided to draw on some stars. So I drew on just some little crosses for some bigger looking stars. I think it turns out alright. I do wish I did my chest, but can we just pretend that I've done it properly? I did do a little bit. So I go in with that style star, and you can't really see. I wanted it to add some glitter, some sparkle, so I went in with the Lumi lights, and my goodness, you can definitely see the twinkling of that. Right, once I have actually added all of that twinkle, I do take my cat ears off, so don't worry. It would look amazing with a top hat. I wish I had a top hat to wear with this. It would look fab. I don't know why. Anyway, very random. And this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoy my video, my first Halloween of 2018. Don't worry, there is more to come. If you do have any requests, then please do comment below and I will see what I can do. Thanks for all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all soon. Bye!